This is South 225 Two Rod Road in Marilla, New York, with Alden School District. Yeah, I hope I'm not going too fast for you. Getting you dizzy. Alright, let's go on inside. Now, we're still doing some work, so we have a tile. There. Beautiful doorway. Kitchen. Again, the stone. No, see, I told you we're doing some work. All right. First floor bedroom. And this would be the dining. And living room. With another side entrance right there. New Berber carpet. And we're going to go upstairs. Now, mind you, again, we're still doing some work, and we got some music going on, huh? All right. Bedroom number 1. With hardwoods, but we'll have them carpeted. And bedroom number 2. And I think we got a light for this one. This would be the master bedroom. And a big deep closet. Alright. And we'll be going back downstairs. Beautiful front porch with a rock garden, concrete patio, brick face. Alright. And then the bathroom. Closet, shower, toilet. You can see just a beautiful, well-lit house. It's a cape, 4 bedrooms, 1 bath. And the basement is right off the kitchen. You're down there, and that's where your washer, your dryer are. Let's take another walk back outside. You can see we have a heated garage. Also has an air conditioning unit in it. Nice back area. Pretty little rock garden. Thank you for your time.